I am Kelly Shaffner. Welcome to my channel. Today I have a gigantic stitch fix to open with you. I am so glad that you have joined me. If this is your first time joining me, please be certain to subscribe. And if you've joined me before and haven't subscribed, it's time. Subscribe to my channel and tap the bell so you will be notified every single time I upload a video. And I make videos all about women's fashion. I do a lot of style boxes and subscription boxes. So if you enjoy that type of video, you're in the right place. Please join me once again. I am really excited about this fix, and I have given my stylist so much feedback. And through experience, I have learned that bombarding a stylist with feedback doesn't always get you the best fix. In fact, I have received the best fixes when I give zero input. Yeah, when I let the stylist do their thing, they usually do a great job. I have requested to receive no more florals for right now. I am looking to refresh my essentials for fall, and I've requested like button-up, plain button-up shirt, more styles that look business-like, conservative, and basically just fall essentials, the building blocks for a perfect outfit. So this might be a boring fix. I don't know. I'm just warning you. I have some of those coming up because I do need to refresh my staples. But if you are wondering about Stitch Fix, I will leave my referral link below, and if you click on that, you can get all the information that you need about Stitch Fix. But in a nutshell, this is a style subscription service, and you are paired with a stylist after taking a style quiz, and that stylist puts together a box with 5 items and sends them to you. You get to try them at home for 3 days and decide what you want to keep and what you want to send back. There is a $20 styling fee, and that styling fee is taken off of anything you purchase in this box. And if you use my referral link right now, you can get a $25 credit towards your account. In turn, they also give me a little credit, and I have a little bit of credit on this box, so I'm really excited. There's some credit in the bank. Thank you. Thank you to everyone that has used my link. You guys make these unboxings so much easier for me to do. You support my channel by doing that, so I'm giving you a thumbs up. Hey, you guys can give me a thumbs up right now. I've got my thumbs up. I'd appreciate a thumbs up. That also supports my channel and makes it possible for me to do more unboxings. But you get the 3 days. You can send anything back. Postage is free both ways. You can give your stylist feedback, and you could also make requests for things that you like. So that really wasn't much of a nutshell, was it? Let's get into this box. I'm so excited. I see something special. Okay, here's what the inside of my box looks like. Do you see something mustard colored? So obviously my stylist got the note. I received a mustard colored tote a few fixes back, and I sent it back. It just didn't check all the boxes for me where a purse was concerned, so fingers crossed this one might. Okay, we get a return mailer. We get a bunch of paperwork. My paperwork's falling out. We get style cards and prices, and oh God, this is not mustard. But isn't this lovely? This is the Market and Spruce Noreen satchel. This is a tan. They call it a tan, but you can see the gold undertones. Okay, this might check all the boxes. No, it doesn't have a front pocket. Oh, that was a little bit exciting for a moment, but we do have compartments on the inside. There is a pocket on one side and a big pocket on the other side. I don't know, I'm probably not giving you a very good. And we have a zip compartment in the center. There's a crossbody strap as well. I'm trying to figure out if it's leather. It does have a very nice smell to it, so that is lovely. I can't wait to try that on and see how it works. I usually don't wear crossbody. I wear them on my wrist. Let's get to the bundle. Okay, this is what my bundle looks like, and that's only 4 items. This is a big fat bundle for only 4 items because I have the purse. Let's get into it and see what we've got. Off the top, we have a very lively and vibrant print. This is Oh, this is RENEE C. That's one of my favorites. This is the Jensen split neck blouse in orange by RENEE C. And okay, this is gonna look fabulous with either my Toms or my orange sandals, but this has got some baby blue and orange and some navy blue and pink. This is really a fabulous print. And so it's got that split neck top, sleeveless blouse. Is it longer in the back? It appears to be a little bit longer in the back, and we have that rounded hemline. So this looks very, very promising. Oh, this is what I was talking about, boring, but just what I wanted. This is Calvin Klein, and this is that white top that I'm looking for. You guys are gonna see more of that. All of my stylists know I am looking for one. This is Calvin Klein Caroline mixed material shirt in white. Mixed material. Oh, okay. I don't know if you can tell. The collar on this is a stiff cotton, and the body of the shirt is cotton, but this sleeve feels like a knit jersey. Can you see how stretchy that is? And then again, we have the really crisp cotton sleeve. So this looks very, very interesting because I am looking for a good fitting white shirt, and I am having fits trying to find that. So this looks very promising. Yay. Thank you to my stylist for listening to all that feedback. And next up, we have something in like a burgundy color. And this is, whatever it is, there's a lot to it. Is this, it's like a jacket? Like a cardigan. This is a polyester knit, feels like double knit fabric. And this is the French Mauve is the designer, and it is Melanie knit tunic blazer. Oh, okay. That sounds right up my alley. This does have, it looks like pockets, and they're very interesting pockets there. So hopefully you can see better in the try-on. And there looks to be a 3/4 length sleeve that is cuffed, and the cuffs are stitched. And we have a draping front. This looks very interesting. This is almost the same color as the cardigan that I just picked up at the Nordstrom sale. So this is really gonna have to be very special because it is similar in color and perhaps cut. It's not a cardigan though. This is more like a knit layering piece. Okay, next up we have WISP, and it's a dress. Okay, this is the WISP Curates Ponte dress in pink, and this is in a size 6. So that might be very clingy on me. I do wear a size 6 dress, and sometimes I wear a size 8 dress, depending on how it fits. And this has a 3/4 length sleeve. It has a very beautiful color and pattern to it. This feels warm, which I am looking for fall essentials. I don't know if this is essential. Also, I'm a little uncertain about the length of this and the band, because the band looks like it's going to hit around my hips, and a band right around my hips normally makes it look bigger. You guys are watching the try-on now, so you're gonna have to let me know how you think these items fit. I'm back after the try-on, and I'm a mess. It is 105 degrees here, but don't worry, it's going to cool off. It should be 93 tonight. Yay. So it's tough trying on fall fashions in the heat of summer, but I think it's well worth it. What did you think of this fix? Let me read my stylist note. One of the reasons I don't read the stylist note is because I get so tongue-tied, but here goes. Hi Kelly, welcome to your fix. I am happy to share some great autumn pieces I hope that you love. I see you're searching for a great work outfit with a basic top and blazer. Today I've included our exclusive French Mauve tunic blazer for you to try. This on-trend burgundy piece looks great paired over the Calvin Klein mixed material top for a classic meets casual style. Feel free to pair these with your favorite denim or dress them up with a classic black or brown trouser. I apologize, I was unable to locate a medium-sized camel bag. However, I've included our exclusive Market and Spruce satchel in a versatile and multi-season tan hue. What do you think? This piece pairs well with our WISP Ponte dress. This dress has a beautiful boho and preppy style I remember you enjoy. What do you think of the fit and pattern? Let us know, from Marissa. So, hi Marissa. Marissa has styled me before. Thank you very much. What do you think? I think this was a very nice fix, and I'm happily surprised with some of the pieces. So let's look at the price. First thing we have is this RENEE C Jensen split neck blouse for $44. I think that's a fabulous price for this blouse, and I enjoy all things RENEE C. She's a fabulous designer, and I think I need this blouse. Didn't it look great just paired with denim? This is going to be a fabulous piece. Next up, we have the Market and Spruce Noreen satchel in tan. This is $58. I like it. I like it. I'm waiting for your comments on this. This is $58. This is a little bit smaller than what I normally carry. So next up, we have the WISP Karis Ponte dress in pink. This is $68. This dress is too short for me. I liked this dress, surprisingly. I thought this dress paired really well with my new red shoes. It didn't look bad with the burgundy blazer over it either. This dress is too short. I did consider perhaps wearing it with tights, but black tights and red shoes is a fashion faux pas in my mind. I think black tights go in black shoes, and this dress just needs 3 or 4 more inches. This is not my sweet spot length, so I will be returning this dress. I liked it other than the length. Next up, we have the French Mauve Melanie knit blazer in burgundy, and this is $88. Okay, this surprised me. This is a double knit blazer, but I love the look of it. I like the cut and the style, and I'm actually thinking about getting this. I know. Let me hear your thoughts, because I really enjoyed this. I think this is going to look great with denim, but I also think it does have that business casual look when paired with a button-up. And speaking of button-ups, we have the Calvin Klein Caroline mixed material top in white. This is $68, and I think it is worth every penny. I have never tried a just classic button-up like this with the mixed material. I think it works wonderfully. I am quite impressed with this top and how easy it is to wear. It is predominantly cotton. It does have a little spandex and modal in it, and I think that makes it incredibly easy to wear. So I think I'm going to be adding this to my collection. Okay, the total of this box comes to $326, and that seems so expensive. Nothing in this box was terribly expensive, but that price tag, $326, seems pretty pricey. The buy all discount, if I was to keep everything, I would get $81.50 removed, and that brings the total to $244.50. And I do have a little bit of credit, but I would still have to pay over $200 to keep this entire box. So I'm not going to keep the dress. I'm not interested in the dress, but I kind of like everything else. I might have to keep the dress, right? I might have to keep the dress because of Stitch Fix math. Okay, help. Help, help, help. I immediately thought I would return the dress. I like the dress. I think it's too short. It could be worn with tights. It's $68 and my discount is $81.50 if I keep everything, and I like everything else. Now it's time for you to leave your comments and let me know what you liked, what you think I look silly in, what you think definitely needs to go back, and what you think needs to go into my closet. I always appreciate your opinions, your feedback, and it really does help me to make my decisions. And this looks like a tough one because I like everything else in this fix. It's been so much fun sharing it with you. Thank you for joining me once again. You know I have more videos coming out for you. If you tap that bell, you can get a notification and you can be one of the first people to watch my reviews. I really appreciate you visiting with me again. Be on the lookout for my videos coming out in the very near. If you haven't done so already, please give this video a thumbs out. You really support my channel when you give the videos a thumbs up, and I really appreciate it. You guys are awesome. You rock. I can't wait to see you again. Blessings to all of you.